How to reduce costs with Robotic Process Automation, RPA. What if your business could work faster, smarter, and cheaper without hiring a single new employee? That's the power of Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Your invisible workforce working 24/7 to cut costs and boost efficiency. Robotic Process Automation is not about robots on assembly lines. It's about software bots that automate repetitive, rule-based digital tasks. Think invoice processing, data entry, payroll, or customer onboarding. Tasks that slow humans down, but bots can handle in seconds. Here's how it helps reduce costs. First, RPA eliminates manual labor for routine processes. Instead of paying employees to move data between systems, bots do it faster, error-free, and non-stop. That alone can cut operational costs by up to 30 to 60%. Second, it reduces error-related expenses. Human mistakes can lead to compliance issues, rework, or financial penalties. Bots follow exact instructions, flawlessly. Third, it boosts scalability without extra hiring. Need to handle more invoices this month? Just deploy more bots. No recruitment, no overtime. Fourth, RPA enhances compliance and auditability. Every action taken by a bot is recorded, making audits easier and risk management tighter, saving time and potential fines. Implementing RPA starts by identifying high-volume, rule-driven tasks. Then choose an RPA platform like UiPath, Automation Anywhere, or Blue Prism to build and deploy bots. The best part? Many RPA solutions offer no-code interfaces, so even non-technical teams can build automations. Integration is seamless. Bots work across legacy systems, CRMs, ERPs, and spreadsheets without changing your IT infrastructure. RPA isn't just about automation, it's about transformation. If you're looking to cut costs, boost speed, and future-proof your operations, start with bots. Like smart business solutions, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on automating your path to growth.